Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International, the second presentation, class 2, practical number 2 of Sensorial. Friends, the broad stairs. You people have been seeing these activities a lot, these things a lot in different Montessori environments. How we are going to present in a proper manner, this is going to be shown to you today. Again, this is an individual exercise. Individual exercises are those exercises which has to be given to a single child. There you can see a floor mat, the broad stairs, the wooden prisms. These are also the wooden prism in thick and thin form. The thickest block and the thinnest blocks are in front of us. Presenting this activity, we are going to develop the child's sense of measuring things, sense of understanding height and weight. How much weight the thing, how much height the thing have here, the broad stairs are going to tell us. The directors first show the child how to carry the wooden prism to the floor mat. How to carry the wooden prism to the floor mat. For the smaller prism, the child may use one hand to hold the prisms, just one hand to hold the prisms. For the larger one, the child may use two hands, and yes, the thinnest and the thickest can be shown. It is important to hold the prisms across their breadths so that the muscular impressions of the size is felt. All the prisms are placed at random on the floor mat. As a child's nature, it is not necessary to keep in a proper manner. It can be randomly. But you need to generate, you need to let him observe the proper height, the proper way, higher to lower, heaviest to thinnest. And by sight combinedly, you are actually giving him the observation of household activities, the thickness and the thickness, the height and the weight and the measurement by using 3 fingers in front of those stairs. By using 3 fingers on those stairs, you can easily judge the height, how it is decreasing of size, step by step, going down and down and down, decreasing of size, step by step, coming up, moving up, step by step, going upward, moving up. The child of this age and era has its ability to done this activity in a very nice form. Better to show this activity to the child of 2+ to 3+, as this is the time when handling and focusing on work is necessary a lot. It is the time to develop this thing. Broad stairs can be managed in any form, might be it is in a height form like a pink tower is being given. The broad stairs can also be being given in a prism or a tower form, down to up. Thank you so much.